Hello friends, so today we are going to study the new chapter Boolean Algebra. In this chapter we have to study about prepositions. A proposition is like a sentence which will have either true or false. Like it is raining today, so it will have either true or false value. So types of proposition, two types of proposition: simple proposition and compound proposition. Simple proposition, so a simple sentence, a proposition represented in simple sentence, that proposition is known as simple proposition. जैसे कि it is raining today, so it will have either true or false. Either it is raining or it is not raining. Milk is a liquid, either it is true or not. So these types of propositions are known as simple proposition. Then the next is compound proposition. When we join two or more propositions are joined together with the help of some connecting words. Connecting words like in grammar we use conjunction. Okay, so like and, or. Okay, when two or more prepositions are joined together with the help of some connecting words, then they form compound preposition. For example, milk is a liquid and it is white in color. Today I will go to school if it is not raining today. Milk is a liquid and it is white in color. It is having two prepositions. Milk is a liquid and second is it is white in color. Here, today I will go to school, and next is it is not raining today, and here and is connective, here if is used as connective. So this is compound preposition. So next is connectives. Connectives are the connecting words that are used to join two or more prepositions, like here and if are used as connectives. Okay, so connectives. After that, truth tables. The truth table is a representation of all the possible truth values in a tabular form. Okay, so in now coming to connectives, types of connectives. So types of connectives: conjunction, disjunction, negation, double negation, implication, equivalence, or biconditional. In conjunction, it is simply a or operator. Conjunction is a and operator, disjunction is a or operator, negation is complement, double negation is double complement, and implication and equivalence or biconditional. Now coming to conjunction. In conjunction we use this and this as symbol. When we join two prepositions with and connective, then it is known as conjunction. For example, let us take two prepositions P and Q. P, it is divisible by 2, and Q as it is an even number. So here P and Q act as preposition variable. Now we have to make a use of conjunction, like it can be we can use this and this symbol. So now we are using dot, so P dot Q, so it can be written as 8 is divisible by 2 and it is an even number. Okay, so now how can we make the truth table? So for making truth table, what we have to do, for two variable, first P and Q 0 0 1 1 and Q 0 1 0 1. So it generally follows the binary. This is 0 0 1, this is 1 1 0, this is 2, and this 1 1, this is 3. So 0 1 2 3. So for AND operator, it gives 1 only when all are 1. If all are 1, then it will give 1. For example, for here we can see 0 0, so 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. Here both are 1, so 1. Okay, so now coming to disjunction. So when we join two preposition with or, then it is known as disjunction. So for disjunction we use this and this as a symbol. So like taking the above example, 8 is divisible by 2 or it is an even number. Here or is acting as connective, which is joining two simple preposition P and Q by disjunction. Above we can see that and act as connective, and it was joining two simple preposition P and Q. So here also or act as connective, which is joining two preposition. So it gives 1 when both are 1 or either of them is 1. Okay, so 0 0, no 1 is there, so 0. Here 1, here we can see that 1 is there, so 1 1 and 1 1, both are 1, so 1. Okay, so what is 0? So 0 represents false and 1 represents true. Next is negation. Negation is in this we use this and complement as a symbol. So this is used to negate a statement. For example, like P, it is raining today. So negation of P, it can be written as this: negation of P, it is not raining today. So truth table of P, if only one variable is there, so it is like 0 1, was 0 then 1, above 0 1 2 3. In binary it can be written as 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, so here negation of P, so 0 will become 1 and 1 will become 0. So negation simply states that 0 will become 1 and 1 will become 0, just opposite. So next is double negation. What double negation? P 0 1. So what is like it is raining today. So single negation will be it is not raining today. Double negation will be now opposite of this. So opposite of this will be it is raining today. So it is like negation of P. Negation, it will be equals to P. So like here we can see P, negation of P, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. So negation, double negation of P will give us 0 and 1. Negation of this, and we can see this and this is same. So we can say that both are same. Coming to implication. Implication and biconditional or equivalence are two important topics from which questions can be asked in ISC exams. So implication is also known as conditional connective. So in this we use this and this as symbols. For example, P, it is raining today, and Q preposition, it I will not go to school. So we are writing as P implies Q. P implies Q. So it can be written as if it is raining today, then I will not go to school. So implication generally what is like, if it is written P implies Q, then if P, we have to write what is P, then Q, and so if it is raining today, and Q, then I will not go to school, So implication generally if then. So the truth table, so for this truth table, it will give 1 only when it will give 0 when P is 1 and Q is 0. So this is having a special condition, which is P is 1 and Q is 0, then only it will give 0. So now P 0 0 1 0 1 1. Now P is 1 and Q is 0, so it will give 0, and here is 1 1, so 1. So this is P implies Q implication. So it is equivalent to P implies Q is equivalent to A bar plus B. A bar means negation of A plus B. So here we can see like P Q, yes, P bar, that is negation of P. So 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. So now negation of P plus Q. So negation of P plus Q, here P dash and Q. So that this is 0 plus 1 0 1 1. Here 1 1 1. Here both are 0, so 0. Here 1 0, so 1. Okay. So next is biconditional or equivalent. So in this we use this as symbol. P, it is raining today, and Q, I will not go to school. So in this we use if and only if as starting. Like here, it is raining today, I will not go to school. If P double implies Q, here we can write if and only if it is raining today, then I will not go to school. So this is P implies Q. So it is true when both are same. It can be written as A dash B dash plus AB. So first we can see this, it is true when both are same. Like when both are 0 or both are 1, then it will give 1. If both are 0, so 1. Both are 1, so 1. Here we can see 1 0 1 1. So it is giving 0. Both are 0 1 and both are 1 1. Then this a dash b dash plus ap, so p q p bar, here we are writing p negation of p bar just opposite of p, here q bar just opposite of q, then p bar dot q bar, p bar dot q bar, it gives only 1 when both are 1, so here 1 0 0, here pq it gives 1 only when both are 1. Okay, then p bar q bar plus pq, so here p bar q bar plus pq, so 1 0 0 1, so here we can say when 1 is when 1 we can see, so 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1.